Several enemy ships have entered the system. They are
Red alert,
powering up their
shields
weapon
up.
systems.
Here we go again.
Target disabled. Changing torpedo.
Their attacks are draining our starboard shield.
Their bottom shield is draining, sir.
Target disabled.
Captain, we have collapsed their bottom shield. Their sensor system has been disabled.
Simulated enemy ship has been destroyed. Sir, that's the last of them. I believe we're in the clear.
That was not really the kind of party I was
Aye,
expecting.
Captain. All stations, damage report.
Impulse engines are fully functional. Warp engines fully functional, Captain.
Phaser array is fully functional. Torpedo system is fully functional, Captain. Tractor beam is fully functional, Captain.
Sensor system is fully functional.
Hull integrity at 100%. Shields are at 100%.
Captain,